Hey, see your driver's license.
I don't have one.
Why not? Okay, sorry, I just couldn't see your hands. I don't like it when I can't see people's hands.
I'm pregnant right now. I'm not supposed to be driving. I had to drop him off home.
Okay.
Yeah, I literally live
Wait, you're
right
pregnant?
there.
You're not supposed to be driving?
That's what I was told. You're not supposed to be driving if you're pregnant. That's what I was told.
I don't know if I've ever heard that before.
Really?
I've known a lot of pregnant people.
Okay,
All right.
well,
I'm Deputy Sloup. I work for the Pinal County Sheriff's Office Traffic Unit. A couple different reasons that I stopped you. First of all, my attention never would have been drawn to you if that muffler wasn't so loud and annoying.
Yeah, it's not my car. It's
literally but you're driving it, so you're the captain of this ship, partner. So your muffler's loud and annoying, and it allows everyone. Is this your neighborhood?
Yeah,
your neighbors hate you.
Right there.
They hate you.
It's not my car.
Okay. If you drive this in my neighborhood, I'd hate you. So that's number one, is you have a muffler that creates an unusual sound, which is the requirement for Arizona state law. Secondly, I don't know how you can see through your windshield because it's tinted top to bottom, left to right, and so are your front side windows. So all of that dark tint is all illegal. You can't have it. You can have tint just up at the top, but you can't have it everywhere. So, and why don't you have a license?
I'm 14.
You're 14. Okay, and ma'am, is this your car?
it's my fiance's.
Your fiance? Okay. So, and who is this to you?
He is like family.
He's my cousin.
Okay. So,
Because she lives at the apartment,
Yeah.
she told me she couldn't drive, so I was just coming to my house and she's getting picked up.
I know. I just heard I'm not supposed to be driving when I'm pregnant. I wasn't sure. But
How old are you?
Me, I'm 18.
okay.
I mean, I literally have the pregnancy test right here.
My house is a minute, like, just down the street.
Yeah.
I'm shocked. 09. Wow, that's super young. You might be the youngest person, like, born most recently that I've ever pulled over. I've never pulled over someone from 09.
I mean, like, his mom is probably home. We can drive over there.
He can't drive anywhere. He doesn't have a license.
He has hers.
You want me to drive over there?
No. We're going to deal with the fact that he's illegally operating this motor vehicle. So we're not going anywhere. So you knew that he didn't have a license, right? Okay. All right. Thank you so much, man. All right. And do you have your registration paperwork, curb proof insurance? You don't have anything?
I mean, where did you put your stuff? I know it, but where's your registration?
All right. Stay right in there. I'll be back. There's a lot of loss for words here. And maybe I'm wrong. I'm not a woman. I don't identify as a woman. I don't know. Females, is there a doctor out there that says, like, as soon as you get pregnant that you can't drive? Because maybe it's a thing. To my knowledge, Arizona law does not have a stipulation based on pregnancy of as soon as you're pregnant, you can no longer drive and have to have a unlicensed 14-year-old driver. Can you call mom, have mom come over here so I don't have to...
She's not home. I was at my cousin's apartment, and then I needed to come home, so she was like, oh, it's like a minute away. Because she lives at the apartment down the street.
Okay. What's your current address? I've addressed this before. I'm going to address it again. If you're in Arizona and you have never been issued a driver's license in any jurisdiction, because you're 14 years old, the state of Arizona is going to take your car and they're going to put it in car jail for 20 days. Okay. So you're being cited with not having a valid driver's license, and the original reason, besides the muffler, because that really drew my attention, the second reason that really drew my attention to you was the improper material on your windows and windshield, right? Because your windshield looks like the inside of my eyelids. It's black. So that's it. There's a whole bunch of other things that I could cite you with, like having your super annoying muffler, not having your registration paperwork, not having current proof insurance for your vehicle, all of those things. So I could cite you with more, but I think this gets the point across that you shouldn't be driving, okay? So the other thing I'm doing is I'm towing your car and I'm impounding it for 20 days. And I'm impounding it because Arizona law says if you've never had a driver's license, which you haven't, you can't drive unless it's an emergency situation, like you are on the way to the hospital and someone is actively bleeding out in your passenger seat. Except for that, and that isn't this, you can't drive. Just because someone says, hey, can you drive me? You need to say, no, I don't have a valid driver's license. Well, you can't just let someone who you know doesn't have a driver's license drive. Especially when you're pregnant and you're worried, obviously, about the safety of your unborn fetus. So you're going to entrust the safety of you and your baby to a unlicensed 14-year-old. And therein lies the problem. Can't even see in there. You can open up the door too.
I didn't want to start the car.
No, that's okay. That's okay. That is part. Look how dark that window is. All right, ma'am. You, being an adult, can't ask a minor to drive. So what you have is permitting an unauthorized minor to drive. Okay.
Right.
This is a criminal offense. So you have to. All that means that you have to go and see the judge and explain what happened here to the judge.
Okay. How much is this shit gonna cost though?
You know what? I don't know because the sheriff's office doesn't deal with any money. The court will be able to tell you that because they deal with all that stuff.
Okay.
So that right there is all your stuff. So you guys can take any items of value, so anything that's worth anything out of the car. The car's gonna stay here. I just need to make sure you leave the key here or key fob or whatever it is, and then you guys are free to go.
How am I gonna get back to the car?
I feel like you have a house that you could get into real close, right?
Walk to my house.
So I would. Are you?
Yeah, and then
Yeah, obviously. Can you? Yeah, sure, I'll take that. Can you walk? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. I wasn't sure if the driving thing was out of bounds. I wasn't sure if the walking thing was out of bounds.
Yeah. I got pepper spray right here. Is that okay if I grab
Yeah,
that?
absolutely.
Okay.
Grab it. You gotta stay safe.
Yeah, I
Hi,
just don't want
citizen.
you to think that I am.
No. I got a pretty good gauge for people. I'm pretty sure you're not gonna haul off with some pepper spray out of there and spray me in the
I
face.
gotta get out real fast.
Yes, ma'am.
For real.
That's me.
Nah, for real. Can we get pictures with you though?
Yeah, I love
Yeah.
pictures.
Alright. Hold on. Get out, come here.
embarrassing.
No, for real.
Freaking TikTok.
Come here. Oh my god, I swear. Hold on.
Man, you're big for 14.
Yeah,
Holy
he is.
cow, you're like a linebacker. Good God, that thing's inside out, man. You might have to turn it around.
TikTok.
Swear to God.
You know what's good? We're not on TikTok, man. The sheriff's office isn't on TikTok, so.
Alright.
But Facebook, yeah, you're gonna be on Facebook.
Oh, I got Facebook.
And YouTube.
And you? Oh my
I know. Those are all people that pirate my stuff.
I think I seen you.
They're all pirates, all of them.
Oh,
Yeah, it's crazy. All right, jump in. Oh, those corduroy?
Yeah.
Man, I haven't seen corduroy pants in a minute. I
All right,
like it.
ready?
All right, you ready for this?
alright. Oh my god.
All right. Hey, don't let her carry anything, man. She's prego. She got baby on board. I don't even have words today. All right. Well, I'm Deputy Sloup. I work for the Pinal County Sheriff's Office Traffic
How you
Unit.
doing? Hey,
Good, man.
You're on the YouTube thing, huh?
That's me, man. That's me.
I see you.
You know what I haven't done a video yet?
Uh-uh.
Is why not to litter on the roadways in Santan Valley like you just did.
You just did a cigarette?
Yeah,
Actually,
man,
no,
you
we
can't
didn't
just
learn
be
that ashtray. We
you
didn't
can't
learn
just
that.
be taking your cancer sticks and flicking them
Yeah.
out the window. You
Right,
can't be
right
littering.
now,
Anything
I'll
that
do
comes
you a
out your
favor, I'll
window.
go straight to Walmart, grab
That's
your
it, man.
ashtray.
Anything, man. You put a bottle in here, you know, or stop
yeah,
smoking.
yeah.
It's good.
Well,
It's good for your
that's
health.
why I got light.
You have any idea why I'm going to stop you today?
Am I going too fast?
No. Did you notice that you were well over this white line here as you were driving?
Is that against the law?
Well, yes, because you have to drive in your lane.
Oh.
And on this side is where like bikes are and pedestrians. You were like that from pretty far down on the other side of the bridge all the way up. And finally I was like, I need to make sure that, you know, you're not impaired or anything because
No, not at all, sir. I just, like I said, I'm just nervous.
so you're 25 miles an hour above the posted speed limit.
I wasn't even paying attention. I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah.
I'm on my way to pick up my daughter from school.
Yeah, you're at a good clip there. May I see registration, current proof of insurance also, please? That's
You
it.
begin to put the physical registration in the car.
Okay, you don't have that?
It's at home on my
Okay. All right, hang tight for me. Where did the sticker that's on your license plate come from?
From my motorcycle. I have a Harley.
Oh. Okay. take that, turn your truck off for me, please? Thanks. Because I don't want you backing up over me when I remove your plate.
Why are you removing my plate?
Because it's a fictitious registration. That tab does not belong on this plate.
Well, just take
It-
you can take the tab by law, but not
We'll see.
officer. The plate is registered to the car.
That is correct, but the tabs on the plate are fictitious. And being it fictitious makes it a criminal offense.
No,
And the
because
fact that it's...
I have my old register. That's not fictitious. What are you talking about? That tag is registered to this car. To this
No,
truck.
the plate is.
The plate is. That's
Yeah.
what I'm saying. So you can take the tag, but not, I mean, the sticker, but not the plate.
Well, this entire thing is evidence of a criminal offense of displaying fictitious registration.
Okay.
So it is because it is evidence in a criminal offense. That's what the delineation is.
Okay, so it's criminal.
Yes, sir. I don't know what's so hard to understand about. So you can't take the tab off of a motorcycle that you own and put it on the registration plate for the Dodge that you own and then drive around and think, one, that that's okay, and two, then be mad at me when I take the plate that you have knowingly applied a fictitious tab to and then give me an attitude about it. So, just knowledge for those of you out in the internet. That is a criminal offense in the state of Arizona, to which I'm now going to cite him with because he needs it. Second one is for knowingly displaying a fictitious plate, simply meaning that you knew that the tab on your license plate was supposed to go on a motorcycle with 2 wheels. You put it onto a car with 4 wheels.
It belongs to my wife. That belongs to my wife's car.
Okay, well, whatever it is, it doesn't belong on this truck. Can we agree on that? Meet in the middle ground? Okay. So knowingly displaying fictitious plates, also a criminal offense. And then no current registration, because your registration that actually expired in July 23, not July of 24, like the tab on the license plate said. How you doing? Good. See your driver's license.
I don't have nothing on. I'm going to China to go get on my wallet and all that. I've got to go get a job and everything.
Wow. Okay. So do you not have a driver's license?
Yeah, I got one, but it's
Is it suspended?
and I think I got some.
Yeah. Let me just grab your wallet. You have an ID in there or something? I need to know who you are.
I don't, bro.
You don't have anything.
I gotta go get my other wallet. This is like my backup wallet. I just had it laying in the.
Backup wallet.
Had it laying in the room, bro.
Okay. So I'm Deputy Sloup. I work for the Pinal County Sheriff's Office Traffic Unit. Reason that I stopped you is
No, this is my project truck, bro.
project
I
truck.
got another car over there. I gotta go get it. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, because this looks like your registration's expired. You got stuff hanging from your rearview mirror. You're not wearing your seatbelt. You got a cracked
I
windshield.
got no seatbelts in this.
You got no seatbelts, huh?
Yeah, this
Is that a bullet hole?
Yeah.
You had a bullet hole in your truck.
Nah, I just paid. They were told me this, boss. I'm
Right
not-
there, man.
I'm not that crazy. They were telling me I had the long.
Oh, okay. All right, man. I was like,
Yeah, nah, I know.
I was gonna give you some serious street cred. You got a bullet hole driving around Santan Valley.
You got a 454 for it, bro, and I got the stage cam to everything.
Everything.
Yeah,
Man, before you pay for a new engine, you need to get yourself a license.
Take this shit away from me,
Man,
bro.
some insurance and a seatbelt and good registration.
Took them out, look.
I know. Yo, you can't do that, man. All right. Are you the registered owner of this truck?
Yeah, I don't have nothing.
You have no paperwork?
I got some under the seat, bro, like newspaper. I doubt it, though. I think it's all at home.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Santa. I just moved out, but
You live
I
in
just-
Santan Valley?
I just barely moved out from Chandler.
Okay. So I was gonna say, man, you can't be driving this dirty in Santan Valley and not expected to be pulled over.
And what's it called? I have my little work card, but I like this truck, bro. I love it, yeah. And I don't have the time for the missions and all that. That's
Yeah, you don't have time for that, man. That's all law. You ain't got time. Anybody got time for that? All right, man, you're gonna get a couple tickets, man. It's gonna be the way it is. Hang tight. Play yourself a song on that guitar, man, while you're waiting. Guy in this truck here passed me at 58 and a 45 coming into this construction zone. It's expired registration, stuff hanging from his rearview mirror, isn't wearing a seatbelt. So, I mean, all kind of a bunch of minor violations. When I run a check of him, he comes back with a warrant, an arrest warrant at a Chandler Police Department for driving unsuspended. So he's been suspended for a while. That's the best part of traffic enforcement, is the fact that we can take something seemingly minor, like 13 miles an hour over the speed limit, and turn it into the arrest of someone who's wanted from another jurisdiction be able to take him into custody, hold him accountable, because he has no insurance. So if he was speeding and crashed into someone, he could negatively change someone's life by not having insurance and driving through Santan. So we're going to take his car because he's going to go to jail and his car is going to go to car jail. So I need you to interpret something for me. Hop on out. Come talk to me. So I need you to give me an interpretation. I need you to interpret this. What does that mean?
Something nice for your butt.
Something nice.
Algo chulo pa tu.
I like the way you say it. I like it. All right, ma'am. So, step on up here. So, we got a citation, all right? Driving with your license is suspended. You know it's suspended.
Yeah.
No current registration because it expired in January and we're now in July. You picked the wrong J.
Yeah.
No insurance. Got to have insurance.
And what does that do to my license, bro?
Well, it can't be suspended anymore. I just need you to sign right there. So, appreciate that. Now, the next thing I need you to do, put your hands right behind your back. So right now, you're also going to be under arrest for an outstanding warrant you have from the city of Chandler.
Well, it's not a big deal. It's not a big warrant.
No, it's not.
I'm not a bad guy or anything. Like,
Nope, I got you.
gotta pay tickets.
I get it, man. I get it.
But